Good morning all of you. How are you students? In this pandemic situation, stay home, stay safe. First of all, I like to thank our entire team of Samagra Shiksha who are giving this great opportunity to our CRTs. Students, in previous class, what we learned? We learned 8th class 2nd chapter, linear equations in one variable. In this chapter, we complete concepts, exercise problems. So here, in this chapter, we have 5 exercises. In these 5 exercises, we complete first exercise. In that part, I gave some homework. I hope all are complete. Okay students, now we go for exercise 2.2. Before we go into this exercise, students, if you have textbooks, please open your textbooks and see exercise 2.2 problems. In that, there are some diagrams are there. What are they? They are in family of triangles. Exactly. Now, we have to know some properties of triangle. Everybody knows the properties of triangles. So, some properties we can use in this exercise. That is, properties of triangle. Observe clearly and concentrately what I am saying. Okay. Now, see properties of triangles. Everybody know first property. What is our first property? In general, in triangle, we use the sum of 180 degrees. What is first one? The sum of 3 angles is 180 degrees. In any triangle, this is 180 degrees. Let us see this diagram. Triangle ABC. In this, angle A, angle B, angle C. The sum, angle A plus angle B plus is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Okay. Next, second one. The exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles. What is this? The angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Carefully observe this diagram. We understood easily. So, ABC is a triangle. BC extend to D. Then here we form an exterior angle. Angle C. Interior angles are angle A, angle B. Now what is our property? The exterior is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That is, exterior angle means angle C is equal to interior opposite angles, that is angle A plus angle. Okay. The exterior angle C is equal to the interior angles angle A plus angle B. This is our second. Let's see our third property. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. See the diagram carefully. In triangle ABC, angle A, angle B, angle C. AB side opposite angle C. AC side opposite angle B. BC side opposite angle A. What is our property? their opposite angles are equal. So two sides are equal. If we take AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. That is, if AB equal to AC, what we get? Angle B equal to angle C. Cancel this A, we can get BC, that is angle B, angle C. This is our third property. What is fourth property? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are same. Vertically opposite angles are same. What is vertically opposite angles? See this diagram. AB, CD. In this, the intersection point formed two angles. Intersection point if take O, then they form two angles here. That is angle AOB, angle BOC. Angle O equal to angle O. That is vertically opposite angles. This angle and this angle are equal. That is angle AOB is equal to angle COB. Observe this property carefully. Vertically opposite angles are same. What are vertically opposite angles? Here we can, these two lines intersect in this point O, then they form two angles. Angle AOD, angle AOD, angle COB. Okay, so these two are same. Now see these fingers. Vertically opposite angles means here two angles are formed. Like scissors. For example, scissors. We can close this. There is some two angles formed. They are same. If open this, there are also two angles formed. They are same. Okay, understood? Children? Very good. Now these are the main properties we used in this exercise. So first one, the sum of three angles is 180 degrees. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Second property, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Exterior angle means outside the triangle. That is angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. Third property. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. Fourth property, vertically opposite angles are same. So vertically opposite angles means here two lines intersecting in one point, they form two angles. The two angles are same value. Okay. See in your textbooks, exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2, there is a first Roman problems for diagrams. See, one by one I explain. You have to listen carefully. In exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 problems. First Roman. In first Roman, find x in the following figures. Find x value in the following figures. So in this Roman, first Roman, they give five diagrams. We have to find the unknown value, that is x value. First problem, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. BC supposed to extend to D. BC extend to D. Angle C 123 degrees. Angle B x degrees. Angle A 56 degrees. Angle A 56 degrees. Okay. Now we have to see the second property. Same as is the diagram. Observe students, this diagram and this diagram is same. Here angle C exterior angle. So here also I see exterior angle. Interior opposite angles here same. So what is the property? The exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. Now you have to write in C equal to angle A plus angle B. Or angle A plus angle B equal to angle C also you can write. Angle A plus angle B is equal to angle C. Now what is angle A? 56 degrees. Okay. Next plus what is angle B? X degrees. Okay. That equal to what is angle C? Exterior angle 123 degrees. 123 degrees. We have to find x value. That is we have to find x degrees. That is x degrees equal to 123. Write down as easily. Plus 56 transpose to this side. We get minus 56. Minus 56. How much? 123 minus 56. Subtract these two. Therefore, x degrees is equal to 67 degrees. This is the x value. Understood students, all of you? What is the figure? Triangle ABC. BC extend to D. Then there is exterior angle 123 and interior angle x degrees and 56 degrees. By our second property, angle A plus angle B equal to angle C. So angle A 56 plus angle B x degrees is equal to angle C 123 degrees. Exterior angle. Now you have to find the value of x. Now x is equal to 123 plus 56 transfer to this side minus 56. 123 minus 56 we get x degrees is equal to 67. This is the answer. Okay. Understood clearly? Okay. Next is second one. See the second figure. In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. What is the triangle P? 45 degrees. Q 3x plus 16 degrees. Angle R 68 degrees. Angle R 68 degrees. These are the values. Here, which triangle? PQR. Now, first property, the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. See the first property, same triangle ABC we can write here. Here they give PQR. Okay, in this, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Okay students, now you have to substitute the angles. Angle P how much? 45 degrees plus angle Q how much? 3x plus 16 degrees plus angle R. Angle R is 68 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. You have to find the x value. This term, x term you have to write first. That is 3x. 3x. Now you have the add the remaining three terms. That is 45, 16 and 68. How much we get? 45, 16, 68. That is 129. 3x plus 129 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 3x plus 129 is equal to 180 degrees. Now you have to find the x value. 3x. Write down here and write 180 first and plus 26 transpose to this side. We get minus 129 degrees. Now subtract these two. 3x is equal to 180 minus 59. 180 degrees minus 129, you get 51 degrees. Okay. 51 degrees. Now we have to find the x value. Therefore, x is equal to 51 in this relation between these two into, that is transpose to equal this side, we get divided by 3. 51 by 3. Now, third table in 51, how many times? 17 times. 3 1s are 3, remaining 2, 21. 3 7 are 21. Therefore, x is equal to 17 degrees. This is the value of unknown variable x. Okay, clearly understood the diagram and x value. Now see again, angle PQR. In this, angle P 45 degrees, angle Q 3x plus 16 degrees, angle R 60 degrees. By our first property, you have angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. Now substitute the values in this diagram. Angle P is 45, angle Q 3x plus 16, angle R 68 degrees is equal to 180. Now x term take first 3x plus add these 3, 45 plus 16 plus 68, we get 129, that equal to 180. Now 3x is equal to 180 plus 129, transpose to this side, minus 129. Now 180 minus 129 will get 51. So 3x is equal to 51. Now x is equal to 51. Multiplication transpose to this side, division. 51 by 3. So cancel these two. Third table 3 ones and 3 17s, 51. Therefore x is equal to 17. Students, now in exercise 2.2 we have verbal problems. Completing that one, there are so many word problems in your exercise. Now see second problem. The difference between two numbers is 8. The difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to bigger number, 2 is added to bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. The result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. First of all, students, if you see word problems, don't tense, okay? Oh, what is that, what is given and what we have to do reading this problem, we can't understand. Don't mind all that. Just to read the problem 2 times. Or you can't understand, read again and again, then you understand the problem, okay? You have to find the numbers. That numbers will be, the difference between two numbers is 8. So first take one number, let us assume x is a number. Let us assume a number equal to x. Let us assume a number equal to x. Next, the difference between two numbers is 8. The difference between two numbers is 8. That is first number x and difference is 8. So x minus 8 is the second number. Okay. First number is difference between the two numbers is 8. That is second number is x minus 8. Now first number x, taking x. Second number is x minus 8. Now kindly observe this. If 2 is added to bigger number, if x is a bigger number, x minus 8 is obviously smaller number. If x minus 8 is smaller, then x is bigger. Now you have to add bigger number. If 2 is added to bigger number, so you have to add 2 to this bigger number. The result will be equal to, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. 3 times the smaller number. This is smaller number. 3 times into 3 times smaller number. First, you have to write this equation carefully. Read down. I just read the problem and write this. Okay. So, plus 2. If 2 is added to bigger number, this is bigger number. X is bigger number. So, plus 2 is added to bigger number. The result will be, so result means equal. The result will be 3 times the smaller number. 3 times the smaller number. Now, x plus 2 is equal to, half means into, multiply these two. 3 into x, 3x, minus 8 into 3, 24. 8 3s are 24. Now taking x terms one side and constants another side, what we get? 2 minus 24 transpose to this side plus 24 equal to 3x, write down first, and plus x transpose to this side minus x. Okay. 2 plus 24 how much? 26. That equal to 3x minus x. Here we have 1. So 3 minus 1, you know that 2x. I want x value. X is equal to 26 by 2. In second table, 26 how many times? 13. That is 2 1 2. 2 3 is 6. That is 13. Therefore, x is equal to 13 degrees. X is equal to 13. The biggest value 13. Okay. Now you have to find the smallest value. If x is equal to 13 is biggest number, x is equal to 13 is biggest number. What we get? X minus 8. 13 minus 8. How much? 5. Therefore, the numbers are 13 and 5. Okay students, this is rough one. So the numbers we have to write 13 and 5. Okay. Now see this again. Once again, let us assume a number is x. The difference between two numbers is x minus 8. Now you have to write the equation formation. If 2 is added to biggest number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Now you have to multiply 3 of this whole bracket. We get 3x minus 3 is 24. Now x terms one side and constants another side. 2 plus 24 is equal to 3x minus x. 24 plus 2, 26. 3x minus x we get 22x. Okay. Now x value. 26 by 2 cancellation these two we get 13. So biggest number is 13 and we have to find the smallest number. 13 minus 8, 5. Therefore the numbers are 13, 8. Okay students, understood? Next problem, fifth problem. Students, see this fifth problem. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Find these multiples. First of all, you have to know consecutive multiples. What are multiples of 7? Everybody knows the multiples is the table's answers. 7th table answers are the multiples. Okay. Now you have to write the multiples are. The multiples of 7 is, what are the 7th table answers? 7, 14, 21, 28, etc. and so on. Okay. Now, consecutive multiples. You have to write the consecutive multiples. The consecutive multiples are consecutive multiples. X plus 7. Next, plus 7 added this second term, we get x plus 14, x plus 21 and so on. Now, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples, that is first 3, you have to take first 3, that is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples are 777. Okay, now take 3 consecutive multiples. X. Sum means you have to add the first 3 terms. X plus x plus 14 is equal to the sum of 3 consecutive multiples are 777. Write down 777 here. Now, what are the variables here? Adding the variables comes x and x. 3 x's are there. Therefore, 3x plus 14 plus 7 how much? 21. 14 plus 7, 21 equal to 777. Now, x value one side, 777 plus 21, taking that side minus 21 we get 3x is equal to 777, subtract 21, we get 6, 5, 7. 756. Therefore, x is equal to 756 by 3. 756 by 3. Cancel these both. Third table, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, x is equal to 252. This is the first value. Now, we have to find the multiples. Therefore, the multiples are first 252. 252 adding 7 to the terms. So 252 plus 7, 259. 259 plus 7, 259 plus 7 how much? 262. And so on. These are the multiples. Okay? See again. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Find these multiples. The multiples of 7, we have to write first multiples of 7 or 7, 14, 21, 28 and so on. Now we have to write the consecutive multiples of 7. Consecutive multiples means you have to write x plus 7, x plus 14, x plus 21. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples are 777. You get the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Now take first 3 multiples. Consecutive multiples x. Sum means plus x plus 7 plus x plus 14 is equal to 777. Now x terms, that is x and x. What is 3x? X plus x, 3x. Plus 7 plus 14, 21 is equal to 777. 3x is equal to, write down 777 plus 21. Transpose that side minus 21. Subtract these two, we get 756. Cancel these two, 256 times. That is x value, that is first consecutive number. Now you have to add this number with 7, we get the multiples are 252, 259 and 262. This is the answer. Now understood, children? If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. The sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Then the angles are called complementary angles. So let us assume one angle is x degrees. Let us assume one angle is x degrees. Now it is differ by 12 degrees. Differ by 12 degrees. Differ means difference. The difference between angles are 12, that is x minus 12 degrees. Now these two are complementary angles. So the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So this x degrees and x minus 12. We have to add these two angles because the sum of two angles is 90. Here they give complementary angles. Now x plus x minus 12 degrees is equal to how much? 90 degrees. Now x plus x how much? 2x. 2x minus 12 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Now taking x part one side, 2x is equal to 90 minus 12 transposed to this side plus 12 we get 90 degrees plus 12 degrees. 2x is equal to 90 plus 12 degrees. Add these two. We get 102 degrees. Now x is equal to 102. This is in multiplication relation. So transpose that side we get divided by 2 1 are 51 times. Therefore x is equal to 51 degrees. This is one angle. Now you have to find another value, that is x minus 12 means 51 degrees minus 12 degrees, that is 39 degrees. In next place we have to keep 51 degrees. 51 degrees minus 12 degrees, 39 degrees. Therefore the angles are 51 degree, 39 degree. Students, see once again the two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. The angles. If the sum of two angles is 90, then the angles are called complementary angles. So let us assume one angle is x degrees. Second angle differ by 12 degrees. Differ means difference. So you have to keep minus value. X minus 12 degrees. Now that is x plus x minus 12 is equal to 90 degrees. X plus x how much? 2x minus 12 is equal to 90. Now taking x part one side, 2x is equal to 90 minus 12 transfer that side plus 12. 2x is equal to 102 degrees. X is equal to 102 by 2. 2 second table cancel this 102 in 51 times. Therefore x is equal to 51 degree. Now the second angle is x minus 12, that is 51 minus 12 degrees, 39 degrees. Therefore the angles are 51 and 39 degrees. Find the angles. Angles we find is angles 51 degrees, 39 degrees. Understood students? All of you? Now, so we complete the exercise 2.2 problems, word problems and exercise problems. Enter into our exercise 2.3 problems. In this exercise 2.3, we have first to learn the following equations. So there are so many equations out there, about 14 equations out there. I just give some equations solving the problems. Now first equation is 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. This is LHS and this is RHS. Right side RHS, left side LHS. RHS transpose to this side, we get 7x plus 2x. Transpose to this side, we get minus 2x. That equal to 5. 5 transpose to this side, we get plus 5. Okay, 7x minus 2x is equal to plus 5. 7x minus 2x, subtract these two. 7 minus 2, how much? Yes, 5. 5x is equal to 5. Now we have the value of x. Finding the value of x is equal to, write down 5, multiply, transpose this side, divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 ones. Therefore, x is equal to 1. This is the value of x. Now you have to Substitute this x value in this equation that the RHS and LHS must be equal. Now you have to verify the answer. Verification. You have to verify your answer. X is equal to 1. In equation, 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. In x place, what was the value? 1. 7 of 1 minus 5 is equal to 2 of 1. 7 1 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 ones 2. 7 minus 5 how much? 2. That is equal to 2. So LHS and RHS are equal. So this value of x is equal to 1 will satisfy this equation. So this is our first problem. 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. So taking x terms 7x plus children. Next problem. 8m plus 9 equal to 7m plus 8. So now we have to write down variable parts, that is 8m minus 7m is equal to 8 plus 9 transpose to this side minus 9. 8m minus 7m 1m, that is 8 minus 7 is m. So 1m equal to 8 minus 9 minus 1. Therefore m equal to minus 1. Now you have to verify this minus 1 value in this equation. Then LHS and RHS must be equal. Now what is the value of equation? 8m plus 9 equal to 7m plus 8. Now you have to keep minus 1 in m place. 8 of minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 7 of minus 1 plus 8. 8 into minus 1 minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 7 into minus 1 minus 7 plus 8. Okay. Now 9 minus 8, that is 1. This one also we get 1. So this is the LHS and RHS are same. So the value of m equal to minus 1 is correct. Okay, understood all of you? Next. Sixth problem. See our next problem. Sixth problem. 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Now taking 9y this side and 15y minus 15y is equal to minus 1 plus 5 transpose to this side minus 5. Now what is 9y minus 15y? What we get? Yes, minus 6y is equal to minus 6. Now therefore x is equal to y equal to minus 6 by minus 6. Cancellation these two, we get y is equal to 1. Now verification of this problem. Verification. This y is equal to 1 value we have to write here, then the RHS and LHS will be equal. Write down the equation 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. In place of y you have to write one value. 9 of 1 plus 5 is equal to 15 of 1 minus 1. Okay, 9 ones 9 plus 5 is equal to 15 ones 15 minus 1 plus 5 14 is equal to 15 minus 1 14. LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the solution of this equation. Now see again, 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. 9y minus this plus 15y transpose to this side minus 15y is equal to minus 1 plus y transpose to this side minus 5 minus 6y. Subtract these two, we get minus 6y is equal to minus 6. Therefore y is equal to minus 6 by 6. Cancel these two, we get 1 value. Therefore y is equal to 1. Now we have to verify this y value in this equation. Then we get LHS and RHS are same. Therefore 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Place of y you have to write 1. 9 of 1 plus 5 is equal to 15 of 1 minus 1. 9 plus 5 14. 15 minus 1 14. Okay students. Now see the next problem, 8th problem. 3 of t minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2t minus 1. Half means multiplication. So you have to multiply this 3 with these two terms. 3 into t, 3 will be minus 3 into 3, 9 equal to 5 into 2, 10t minus 5 into 1, 5. Okay. Now 3t minus 10t minus 5, 9 transpose, minus 9 transpose to this side plus 9. So 3t minus 10t we get minus 7t is equal to 4. Minus 7t is equal to 4. Now t value you have to write. Therefore t equal to 4 by 7. Write down minus here. So minus 4 by 7 is the value of this equation. T is the minus 4 by 7. 3 of t minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2t minus 1. So of means multiplication. So multiply this 3 with these two terms. You get 3 into t, 3t minus 3, 3 is 9 is equal to 10t minus 5. 3 taking t terms one side. 3t minus 10t is equal to minus plus 9. Next 3t minus 10. 3 minus 10. 7t is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. Therefore, t equal to minus 4 by 7. So, this is the exercise. Complete exercise 2.3 problems. Students, this is exercise 2.3. Now, you have to do homework, remaining problems. Okay? Same this model you have to do and verify the answer, your answer. Okay? Exercise 2.5. Now you have to solve some equations in exercise 2.5. Now first problem, n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. Now n part, this one you have to write one side, n by 5 is equal to, you have to find the variable value. That is here you have to find n value. So n by 5 one side, remaining take another side. That is 2 by 3. This minus 5 by 7 transpose to that side plus 5 by 7. Okay. Now n by 5 is equal to, what is LCM? What is LCM here? 7 3s. How much? 7 3s are 21. Now by doing cross multiplication, 7 2s are 14 plus 5 3s 15. 14 plus 15. 7 2s 14 plus 5 3 5 are 5 3 is 15. Now n by 5 is equal to 14 plus 15, how much? 29. 29 by 21. 29 by 21. Now n value is equal to 29 by 21. This is in divided by. So we transpose to that side, we get into. That is 29 into 5 we get. 29 into 5 by 21. Therefore, n is equal to 9 5s are 45, 5 2s are 10, and 45 by 21. That is the value of n. Value of n. So, see again, n by 5, 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. So, see this problem only. Okay. You have to find n value. So n value you have to find. So taking this part one side, n by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 5 by 7 transpose to that side plus 5 by 7. n by 5 is equal to 14 plus 15 by 21. LCM is 21. By doing cross multiplication, 5 2s are 14 plus 3 5s are 15. Now 15 plus 14 is 29 by 21. n by 5 is equal to 29 by 21. Therefore n is equal to 29 into 5 by 21. 29 5s, how much? 145 by 21. So this is the value of n. Okay, student, all of you understood this one? So this is the solve the following equation. Now we get into second problem. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. What is the problem? X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. Taking LCM. 3 and 4. Taking LCM third and 4. 3 4s are 12. That is, so by doing cross multiplication, these two also 4 into 4x minus 3 into x, 3x is equal to 14. What is? Subtract these two. 4x minus 3x, how much? 4 minus 3 is 1. So we write x by 12 is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 14. This is in divided position, so we get that side into position. So 14 into 12. Therefore, x is equal to 14 12s are. See, 168. So this is the value of x. So x is in this, x value is 168. See again, x by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. Now taking LCM of these two, 3 and 4, we get 12. Now cross multiplication, 4x minus 3x is equal to 14. 4x minus 3x, how much? 1x, that is x by 12 is equal to 14. Now this is an into position, by position, so we get 2. Therefore x is equal to 14 into 2. 14 12s are 168. This is the value of x of this problem. Okay students, now go for another problem. 9 1 by 4 is equal to y minus 1 1 by 3. Here mixed fractions are there, so we have to change it into proper fractions. So 9 1 by 4, that is 39 4s are 36 plus 1 7 by 4 is equal to y minus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Okay. Now, so this where will pass? Y is equal to 37 by 4. 37 by 4 is equal to y minus 4 by 3. Now, taking y value 37 by 4. So, minus value come to this side plus 4 by 3. Now, taking LCM of these two, 4 3s are 12. By doing cross multiplication, 37 3s 111 plus 4 4s are 16. Now, y equal to 111 plus 16, how much? 127 by 12. So, this is the value of y. This is the solution of this whole equation. Okay. See, this is the mixed fractions. You have to change into proper fractions. 4 9 36 plus 1, 37 by 4. That is equal to y minus 4 plus 3 1 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Taking y part one side, constants another side. 37 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. 111 plus 16 by 12 we get by taking LCM. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to 127 by 12. Okay, students, understood? Now, see another problem. 8th problem, our textbook. 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. In this problem, you have to do cross multiplication. What is that? Cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, what we get? Cross multiplication means you have to do crossly multiply the two terms. That is 3 of 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 of 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. Okay. Now, half means multiplication. We have to multiply the both terms. 3 into 2, 6x minus 3 3s are 9. 6x minus 9 is equal to minus 2 into 3, minus 6x. Minus into plus, minus 2 2's 4. Okay. Now, say taking x parts one side, 6x plus 6x. Minus 6 from this side plus 6. That equal to minus 4. This minus 9 from that side plus 9. Okay. Now 6x plus 6x what? 12x. 12x is equal to minus 4 plus 9, 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 12. So, this is our solution of this equation. See once again, in this numerator and denominator are in LHS and also in RHS. So, we have to do this type of problems by doing cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, we have to multiply 3 So 3 of 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 of 3x plus 2. Okay. Now half means multiplication. 3 to 6x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus 6 x plus into minus minus 2 to 4. Okay. Now x pass one side. 6x minus 6 come this side plus 6 x is equal to minus 4 minus 9 come that side plus 9. Now 6x plus 6x it is 12x is equal to minus 4 plus 9 plus into minus minus. So 9 minus 4 5. Keep the sign which one biggest number, that is plus 5. 12x is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5. Write down in this multiplication is here, so we get by 12. So this is the solution of this value x. Now students, I complete the second chapter linear equations in one variable. Now today we are discussing exercise problems and find solution of the equations. The remaining problems you have to do in your homework books. Okay? Okay students, I will meet you in your next class. Thank you.